wonder why you can't stop checking your phone? Or why a tiny win in a game feels so good? That's dopamine, your brain's favorite reward chemical. It's a powerful force driving many of your daily actions. Let's break it down, simply and clearly, so you can understand this fascinating part of your brain. Dopamine is a chemical messenger in your brain, a type of neurotransmitter. Its main job is to signal to your brain, hey, that felt good. Let's do it again. It's not just about pleasure, though. Dopamine is crucial for motivation, learning, and memory. It helps you anticipate rewards and drives you to seek them out. So, when you finish a level in a game, eat a delicious cookie, or get a like on your post, dopamine gets released. Your brain registers this as a positive experience and thinks, yes, more of that, please. This chemical signal reinforces behaviors that lead to rewards. You get small, satisfying dopamine boosts from all sorts of everyday things. It's like your brain's built-in nice job button. Think about the satisfaction of beating a challenging game level, or the quick joy from watching a funny video online. Eating something sweet, receiving a compliment, or even just crossing an item off your to-do list can trigger a release. These little hits make you feel good and encourage you to repeat the actions that cause them. It's a fundamental part of how we learn and adapt. Here's where dopamine gets tricky. Your brain is hardwired to chase that dopamine rush. It constantly seeks out that reward hit again and again. This is why you might find yourself endlessly scrolling through social media feeds, checking notifications hundreds of times a day, or snacking even when you're not truly hungry. These activities offer quick, easy dopamine rewards. Dopamine creates a powerful loop. A trigger leads to an action, which results in a reward, and then the loop repeats. While this system is essential for survival and learning, not all dopamine loops are healthy or productive in the long run. You can't simply turn off dopamine, it's a vital part of your brain's chemistry. However, you absolutely can learn to steer it in more beneficial directions. First, give yourself small, achievable wins. Break down big tasks into smaller steps. Each time you complete a step, your brain gets a little dopamine boost, reinforcing progress and building momentum. Dopamine loves progress. Second, try delaying your rewards. For example, tell yourself no phone until my homework is done. This trains your brain to link effort and work with a more significant, earned payoff, making the work itself feel more rewarding over time. Finally, create good dopamine loops. Make habits that genuinely feel rewarding and are good for you. This could be learning a new skill, engaging in creative activities, or helping others. Train your brain to associate positive, constructive actions with that satisfying feeling. This way, your brain learns to say, that felt good, and it was good for me. Dopamine isn't a villain, it's a fundamental part of your brain's motivation system. It's your brain's way of saying, let's do something awesome and productive. But if you're not mindful, it will naturally chase the easiest and quickest rewards, not necessarily the best ones for your long-term well-being. So, understand how it works, and use it wisely. Turn dopamine into your personal motivation superpower, guiding you towards meaningful goals and healthy habits. What gives you the biggest dopamine hit that's also good for you? Comment below and tell us your favorite healthy reward. And subscribe to BrainSnack for more fun, brain-powered videos, made simple.